An often used saying is, "We can lead a horse to water, but never make the horse drink." In terms of education, we could rephrase this with, "We can provide the environment and opportunity for students to learn, but unless they have the thirst, the students will resist, and the learning will be inconsequential." Perhaps the most important task for the teacher is to affect the learning, to modify the behavior so that the student develops an appetite to learn. Equally, the student has a responsibility. The student, through self-discovery, ensures that the learning is significant. Educators do not simply need knowledge about their subject matter. They also need knowledge of each student and his or her needs. When teachers act as mentors and facilitators, they influence learning positively. If teaching is to be effective and have any significant impact on the student, there should be a harmonious blend between teaching a subject and teaching a student. In the circle of learning, good teaching will help someone learn, but ultimately the learner has to be responsible for his or her learning. There is much written on the topic from a learner's perspective. All students, however, can improve their ability to learn. We will look primarily at the learner's attitude and behavior. First, we must accept the educational system as it exists and then look for ways to maximize our learning. Many students at college expend enormous amounts of effort negatively complaining about their classmates and instructors, avoiding their homework, and adding barriers to their learning. As an example, consider what happens when we read a book that is of little interest to us. We have to put aside other things which are probably far more appealing. We procrastinate, become annoyed, stress out, all negative responses. Eventually, through effort and concentration, we recognize and complete the task. Accept what is. Once we accept what has to be done, our mind relaxes. Positive energy replaces negative feelings, and learning becomes a new adventure. Over time, we may even find joy in what we are doing. Our new mindset suggests that learning requires much less effort than we originally believed, and we are able to complete the task successfully. We can extend this further into everything we do, not only tasks related to school, but tasks in other life situations. In summary, caring teachers who effectively connect with their students and learners who have a positive attitude towards learning can create a bridge that links an enthusiastic learner with the joy of learning.